In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a photo in Google Photos on iPhone. Let's get started by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. It's the multicolored pinwheel icon on your home screen or app library. If you don't see it right away, you can swipe down on your home screen and use the search bar to find it. Give the app a moment to load your library if needed, especially if you have a lot of photos backed up. Next, tap the photo you want to rotate. You can choose it from your main library grid or from any album. When you tap the image, it will open full screen so you can focus on just that one photo. Take a quick look to confirm this is the exact picture you want to adjust. Now tap Edit at the bottom of the screen. You'll recognize it by the sliders icon. This opens the editing view, where all the tools live. Don't worry, nothing is saved yet, so you can explore without fear of accidentally overwriting your photo. From here, tap Crop. This section is dedicated to sizing, framing, and orientation. It's where the rotate control lives, and it's the quickest way to correct photos that were taken sideways or upside down. In the crop area, tap the rotate icon, which looks like a square with a curved arrow. Each tap rotates the photo by 90 degrees. Keep tapping until the photo is correctly oriented. For example, if your picture is sideways, 2 taps will usually bring it upright. If it's upside down, 2 taps will flip it back. Take a moment to confirm faces, horizons, or text look natural and upright. If you see the image rotate past the correct position, just tap again until it comes back around. If you only want rotation, you don't need to adjust any other controls here. When the photo looks right, tap Done to save your changes. Google Photos applies edits non-destructively, which means your original is preserved behind the scenes. If you ever change your mind later, you can reopen the photo, go back into Edit, and restore the original without quality loss. That's it, simple and effective. You've opened Google Photos on your iPhone, selected the image, entered Edit, used the crop tools to rotate, and saved your changes. This is perfect for fixing photos that were taken at an odd angle or imported with the wrong orientation. If you edit a lot, consider checking that your app stays updated so the tools look and behave exactly as shown. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly straightened photos.